Well done for indicating for half a fucking second. Well, you were already on the roundabout. Why are you braking so much? There's no need to be braking like that. Are you drunk? Can you actually drive? Can't fucking indicate, I can tell you that. Come on, lights. Be green in 3, 2, 1. Now, there we go. I am good. Get off the fucking road. Why was she walking in the fucking road? It's not like there's not a fucking path. I can see the path. Ooh, 2,400 miles on the dot. Halfway to my second service. The first service on this bike is 600 miles. The second one is 5,000 miles. Is it just me, or does that seem like a fucking big difference? Because I don't think it should be doing 4,400 miles without an oil change. I think I'm going to, at some point, buy the oil and do it myself. Because over 4,000, nearly 4,500 miles without an oil change or anything. Nah, that don't seem right to me. Really, you're going to go straight on here? I wouldn't suggest it. There's a field there. Probably not the best plan. You might want to think about indicating to let people know you might turn. Or you could just fucking turn, you know. There's always that option. Oh, hazard perception gone wild. One van coming towards me indicating turn in front of me, one van waiting to pull out and cross me, and one car coming into my lane to overtake a parked car. All three of them. Big hazards. The fuck are you doing? Dumbass! Didn't fucking care, he just sat there chatting with the person next to him. How about looking? Dick. You can fit! Fucking hell, you don't actually need to get up on the curb. Don't keep braking, you can fit 2 fucking buses down this road next to each other. Learn how wide your fucking car is. Fucking wait for me to get past, you utter dick. Fuck's sake, if I was going quicker, I would have ran into the fucking front of him. Back from the dead.